Egor Local Government Chairman Honorable Egor and Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Honorable Monday Osaigbovo don hold one ogbonge meeting with different security agencies wey dey part of the peace and security for Egor. Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Honorable Monday Osaigbovo come tok say the reason for the meeting na to thank all the different security agencies for their good work and say for their sake many insecure activities like stealing and kidnapping don reduce for Egor, and come also thank the Traditional Rulers Council. Honorable Osaigbovo comes to use the opportunity to beg those wey turn themselves to government of their own to dey collect revenue, say make them stop as that no be their duty.
I'm here for 3 or 4 reasons. First, to thank our security agents, police, DSS, the army, all members of the peace and security committee of the local government. I can say for a long time now, we review security situation in the state. Apart from court-related activities, all other security issues that borders on ourselves are drastically reduced, like kidnapping, armed robbery, and so on and so forth. So there is need for us to go to those who generate this information to us and thank them for what they are doing, especially when the Utah season is near and by next year there is election in those states. I will thank the members of the Peace and Security Committee. I also want to thank the traditional rulers. We are aware that the Traditional Rulers Council is local government and hold meetings every month. Our message to you is to stay at your domain so that you can also give the necessary information back to our security agency to enable them work. And also to inform you that not all of you, some of you have constituted yourself into government by collecting government revenue. I want to appeal to you that that is not your function. This is the function of government in our state, local or federal. I want to also say that in your monthly meeting, issues that others on you reporting back to government, you can report through the council to us to solve it. The one that borders on tradition should also be reported through us to the palace or directly through your chairman. Definitely you must have a chairman in the traditional council of the local government. And also, again, to appeal to all of us that we can only have peace, we can only have security if we work together. If we don't work together, there will be no peace. Again, the Muslim brothers and Christian brothers, we are aware that we have followers. We are appealing that you appeal to your followers to behave the way the leaders of the Christian and Muslim behave. We believe if they behave in that form, the peace, the security that we are looking for will come on its own without going to go and prepare for a day for a prayer for peace. If we all decide to obey God as it is, peace will come and security will follow. We are also aware that there is no place that can develop when there is a war in that place.
Egor local government chairman Honorable Egor Gbamudia come talk say they no fit leave security matter for government alone and say security matter na for everybody. She constantly talk say make all the security agency for Egor dey work together to get ogbonge result and say make everybody for Egor join hand together so that them go fight crime for Egor and come assure say Egor dey in safe hands.
I want to thank you for coming, and I want to assure you that Egor is peaceful. We don't have any issues with kidnapping. The only issues we have in Egor has to do with court-related issues. That is what we are having in Egor. Only few days ago, we heard that some people were trying to rob houses in Owo, which has been dealt with immediately by Ogida and to Ebotubu police station. I want to tell you, sir, that the DPOs, those state vigilante network in the local government are really working. They are doing their best. So I want to thank them for the job they are doing. The DSS is here as well, the director of DSS in the local government. We are all working together as one family. And what I said today in a meeting I went to, government cannot do it alone. We need to do it together. That's the reason why I said to them today that security begins with me and it begins with them. I will encourage them that it is better let every landlord of every house in a local government join hands with the government, the security agents, so that we'll be able to fight crimes in the local government. We cannot leave everything for government to do it alone. So, thank you very much, sir, for coming. And we know that you seated here today, you are representing our governor, but you know where I say Obaseki. And I want you to go back and tell him that Egor is in safe hands.
DPO Textile Mirror Police Station Olayinka Ade can't give Honorable Egor Gbamudia and Egor local government full assurance for security matter.
All my DPOs, they are my guys, and all the other sister agencies, we are working together in synergy. Our commander, that is CSU, we have sent a signal, and the signal has been go on viral. That for this year too, Egor local government will remain peaceful. Those who want to snap Egor about 4 days back, they meet their water goal. They are not succeeding. The vehicle was recovered, and part of them, I know by now they will have gone to their people. Egor local government will continue to be peace, and peace will remain in Egor local government. Thank you, and God bless you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.